Okay, next. A pipe carrying steam at 3.5 megapascal has an outside diameter of 450 millimeters and a wall thickness of 10, as shown in the figure. A gasket is inserted between the flange at the end of the pipe and a flat plate used to cap the end. Calculate the required force to hold the cap on. Okay, so ito din yung sinasabing cap. Okay? So, pwede kasi na ang cross-sectional area niyan ganito. Ganyan, no? So, ano lang to, no? Assumption. Ganyan siya. Tapos, ito kunwari yung ano, mismong pipe. Okay? Tapos may bolts dito. Mga bolts na to. Okay? So, ngayon, nung sinarado natin yan, diba? Kaya nung sinarado natin yan, pinigilan natin ngayon yung pressure dito. Siyempre may pressure dyan. Okay, so yung pressure na yon is equal sa 3.5 megapascal. So actually, tinatanong lang sa atin doon sa una, ano yung required force to hold the cup? So basically, yung force na kailangan mo para i-hold ito is yung, yung resultant nito. Diba? Yun lang naman, summation of forces eh. So yun yung force na kailangan natin. Okay, so this is, yung pressure na binigay times yung area. Kasi ganito yan eh. Ganito yung pressure na yun. Yan, nakapaikot, no? Nakapaikot yan dun sa ano natin. Okay, kaya that is yung magnitude ng pressure times yung area na to, which is yung inside area nung pipe. Okay? So therefore, for number 10, yung F natin is 3.5 times yung area, which is pi over 4 times diameter. So take note, yung inside diameter natin is just 430. So 430 squared. Okay, so the equivalent force that we need to resist would be, so this is in newtons. Okay, so divide natin ng 1,000 para maging kilonewtons. So 508.27. Next, how many 40 millimeter diameter bolts must be used to hold the cup if the allowable stress in the bolts is 80 megapascal, of which 55 megapascal is the initial stress. So tinatanong naman dito, ilan daw yung bolts na kailangan mong gamitin, no? So yung mga bolts na yan yung kukontra dito. 'Di ba? Yan yung sila yung kukontra. Kumbaga kada bolt mag-exist ng mag-exert ng ng force kada bolt. Ayan, mag-exert sila ng force. Ang tanong lang, ilan yung bolt na gagamitin? Okay, sige. For number 11, yung tensile stress ng bolt should be equal to the total force, which is F, divided by area. No? Area ng bolt. No? Tapos, times 2, ilan sila? Ay, kasi magtulungan sila eh, di ba? So, ayan. And then, itong tensile stress na to, ang allowable daw 80. 80 yung allowable. So, baka naisip nyo, ilalagay ko dito 80, ilalagay ko dito 508, tapos ito area lang ng bolt na pi over 4 times 40 squared. So, kapag ginawa nyo yun, magkakamali kayo kasi ma-overlook nyo na meron ng initial stress dun sa bolt. So, ibig sabihin, dahil meron ng initial stress sa bolt, ang ilalagay dapat natin dito is yung natitira na lang na stress na pwede. Yung initial stress na to, by the way, guys, is siguro dahil yan sa paghigpit ng bolt. 'Di ba? Hihigpitan mo to eh. 'Di ba? Hihigpitan mo yan. So, pag hinigpitan mo yan, kahit na wala ka pang tinutulak dun sa cup, na-stress na yung bolt. So, yun yung ibig sabihin nito. Kaya ibig sabihin, itong natitira na lang, dapat ito ay net na lang to eh, net. Okay, kaya pagdating dito, this will be 80 minus 55 equals 508.27, gawin nating Newton, over N times pi over 4 times 40 squared. So from here, we should be able to calculate the number of volts. So that gives us 16.18. Okay, and hindi natin pwedeng isagot yung 16 kasi kailangan natin sobra sa 16. So kaya kailangan i-round up ito sa 17. So the correct answer here would be letter B. Okay? What is the circumferential stress developed in the pipe? So since the pipe is cylindrical, then we can use here yung circumferential stress, or another word for circumferential stress is tangential stress. So that is PD over 2T. Okay? And emphasize ko lang na itong diameter dito is the inner diameter. Okay? Inside diameter. So, kapag kinalculator natin yung diretsyo, we have, ang P natin is yung pressure na 3.5. Yung inner diameter natin is 430 over 2 times thickness. So, that is 75.25. Again, another term dito, no? Circumferential, tangential, or hoop. So pare-parehas lang yan na PD over 2T kapag ka cylindrical. Okay?